In this tutorial, I am going to teach you how to do the gathering knot, also known as the wrap knot. This knot is used to bring a bunch of cords together and secure them in place. For example, you would use this at the top of a macrame plant hanger or at the bottom of a plant hanger, bringing all the cords together to hold the pot secure in place. You can see an example of this right next to me in the plant hanger.
Start by making a U shape with your cord. I'm going to use the gray cord as the cord that's going to wrap around all the other lengths of cord. Put that cord up against the other cords. Hold the two ends. One's going to be hanging down. The other end, I'm just going to tuck through here so it just doesn't get in the way. Now you have your U shape. Take that long dangling length around and wrap it around all of those hanging cords. And then you're going to wrap it just under the first one you put around and keep doing that. Can you see what I'm doing there? Keep wrapping the cords around as many times as you like. See how I'm keeping them nice and snug? Can't see any of the white cord peeking through. I'm going to do it around 8 times, maybe 9. When you've wrapped it as many times as you like, take the end of that dangling cord and put it through the loop. This was the bottom of the U. Put it through, pull it down. So now you can see the cord is through that opening. Let that dangle. Now I'm holding that cord that's dangling down with my thumb. I'm going to pull that upper cord. Just keep pulling it. Now that's getting close to these wrapped cords. I'm just going to tug on that lower one a bit. Now you can see I'm pulling that U. That was the bottom of the U where my finger is pointing. I'm pulling that up underneath. So it's now underneath here of all these wrapped cords, and that's what keeps it secure. And now I'm just going to trim those other cords. And that's it, the wrap knot.
If you got value from this tutorial, please click the like button. This will help get this video in front of more people like you. If you'd like more of my content, then click the subscribe button and click the bell icon as well. That way you'll be notified when a new tutorial is released. I hope you had fun with this today. Happy macrameing!